Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Prizepicks login issues. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna first of all access your first of all, I'm gonna let you know the issues that can cause for you to not being able to access your account. So why can't you log in or use your account is because you are in a location where Prizepicks does not operate. Then simply make sure the location service is correct and in the phone settings, and change if you would prefer using a third-party support using a VPN for it to be accessed. Next up, you have to make sure whether your account has not been deactivated, because if it has been deactivated because you have violated the terms and condition of Prizepicks, then you cannot access your account. Now if you haven't done anything and if you still cannot log in, then it can be some issue with your password. Then go ahead, go to the login section and tap on forgot password. Tap on forgot password and you shall be able to reset your password by getting an OTP and code on your email, and then following the instruction further to reconfirm new password. And afterwards, if there's any issue with your email address, then you can simply go ahead, change it once you have accessed your account by creating a new password, and then you can change your email as well. So this is it. So if you haven't violated and if you would like to reset your password, that's how you can simply get your account back or fix the login issues. Make sure to check the internet connection as well and update the app, and that is it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.